I'm going to show you a crypto project that could potentially change the world. Sounds big, doesn't it? Let's get into it. What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome to It's Crypto. I hope all of you are doing well out there. So what is this project that I am talking to you about? The project is called Dimitra, right there. So on this channel, we review altcoins all the time. If you're interested in that type of thing, you're in the right place. But on that note, let's get into the project and let's have a little look. So here we go, delivering AG tech to farming globally. You're like, what's AG tech? So we're talking about agricultural tech, and that's what we're looking at. So what is their mission? So their mission is to help smallholders. So right here, the mission is to help small farmers across the world. Dimitra works with governments, government agencies, NGOs, and for-profit organizations. Dimitra platform is built on the blockchain and incorporates mobile technologies, machine learning, IoT devices. Through our data-driven approach, Dimitra helps farmers increase yields, reduce expenses, and mitigate risk. Every smallholder farmer, regardless of economic standards, should benefit from simple, beautiful, and useful technology. Great mission, right? What are they here to solve? So the actual problem statement. So by 2050, we will need to feed 9.7 billion people. In 2021, over 1 billion people go to bed hungry every day. And in the past 5 years, this problem is growing, not reducing. So, that alone is obviously a big problem. So the roadmap. So this is a 5-year roadmap. And here you go. This is some of the stuff they are trying to do. So deliver connected to 50 countries. So in 2021, they wanted to get to 10. 2022 was 20. And obviously this year to 30. So we have to have a look at that and see if they've done that. So they want to provide the technology to 100 ecosystem partners in 2022, which was obviously gone. And then 200 to the ecosystem partners in 2023. So we have to obviously see if they're on that goal or on the way to doing that, right? And then providing staking reward programs to members, agricultural system partners, which rewards our loyal token holders and provides an incentivization machine for long-term participation. So here we go. Here's some of the results of what we've currently got. So we've got 123 team members currently, so a growing team, country partners in 68 countries. So they've smashed that what we looked at. So 68 countries that are in. And then connected farmers, so users, they've got 100k farmer users. So that's pretty big. Definitely smashed that record. I'm trying to get more people onto it, right? So here is some of the stuff they actually do operate under. So they have a platform, so connecting farmers platform. They have livestock guru platform. They have agriculture technologies, and they have an academy and an incubator for other potential farmers, I would say. Custom agricultural solutions as well. Dimitra values, so this is some of the values that they obviously stand by, which you can check out on your own time, but obviously it's very much centered around trying to help the environment. So if you're into all that, this is what you would probably want to pay attention to. Environmental, social and government ESGs. So what exactly is that? So the inclusion fact of this, we will provide access to one small farm holder with otherwise would not afford the technology for every $5 raised in our token sales. So here's the global issue that they're obviously trying to fix. So we've got climate change, reducing the world hunger, improving food safety and security, alleviating poverty, reduce desertification of soil erosion, reducing deforestation. So these are the things that are actually trying to solve here. How are they going to do that? So use data to make better decisions, create valuable records about their practices, access a repository of farming best practices, access critical weather, satellite and sensor data. So this is the main things that they're trying to do here. Here you go, here's the team, which is great to see. So they are now in over 65 countries globally. And then you've got the leadership team, you've got overall sales team, which is showing you full transparency of the team and who the team are. Obviously one thing I would say is they've got a lot of directors in lots of different countries. I'm sure you obviously must need that if you're a massive company. Is it too big too soon? That might be something I would look at, do they need them? But these people seem to be legit. So if you go on, for example, Michelle's profile, she is, and that's exactly what she's doing. So if you look at her background, she's currently doing this, right? And then she used to work for Deloitte as well in supply chain. So got some good background there. And you've got the European director here, and that is exactly what he's doing as well. So he's a regional director. We can look at Latin America director as well. And he is also doing this full time. And seems to have some good experience. Projects they currently have going on. So they've got Nepal, They've got one in India, Brazil, Uganda, Bangladesh. Obviously on this channel we're all about decentralization, and that's really good to see. They've got a lot of projects going on in the world. It's very decentralized where they are. So some of the stuff they are doing, so Dimitra was awarded the contract from the OBC India Chamber of Commerce Industry for agriculture for developing connected farmer platform to 1.3 million farmers in India for soil assessment and remediation. This may be one of the largest soil remediation projects ever. Dimitra has also awarded a contract with Axon Architects for 350,000 farms to be disputed for connecting farmer platform. Really cool. So yeah, they've got this user case working right now, and they've actually incorporated this into business. So that's really good to see. And governments, right? Here is the ecosystem partners, and you've got some really cool partners actually. You've got Morpheus Network, got Ocean Protocol, so I'm investing in both of these projects as well. Yeah, really good projects. So it's very much to do with supply chain, and yeah, really good. And some of these other partners they here are obviously partnering with as well. So another thing to point out is the Web3 and Blockchain World Awards, and in 2022 they actually won the award for Blockchain Entrepreneurship Award, and the winner was Dimitra. So you know, yeah, really cool. They've won an award already. So looks pretty interesting, don't you think? If you're a person who cares about agriculture and obviously the world environment, yeah, then this could be the project for you. It is literally a world-changing project, and they're trying to work with governments, and you can see that they've got some partnerships going as well. So yeah, that looks pretty promising to me, right? So on that note of being promising, you can invest in this as a token, right, as a coin. And wouldn't you want to know the price of this coin right now? And wouldn't you want to know how much you could potentially make in the bull run? Let's check it out. Dimitra, and DMTR is the token that we spoke about, and yeah, so we've got a market cap currently of 18 million, and the circulating supply is 379 million at this current moment. Total supply 449 million, and then yeah, the max supply will be 1 billion. And then yes, you can see here the current price is 4 cents right here, ranked at 785. And we are very, very low down in price right now, as you can see. Since it released, we had a 17x, and then currently in the last 30 days up 20%. But you know, look at this chart. We are looking at potentially, if this goes big, it could go big. Okay, so what type of benchmarks should we look against for this for? So who do we think we could benchmark this against? Obviously, this is a project that is quite different, but it's to do the supply chain kind of, right? I mean, so for me, I would probably benchmark this against VeChain, right? As in, obviously that's big in the competitor. So yeah, let's have a little look at that and see if where we could get this price to go. If VeChain is currently at a market cap of 1.5 billion, okay? So if we got Dimitra to 1.5 billion market cap, you would get an 84x, okay? And that will give you a price of $3.97. So yeah, pretty good, right? You could make some potential good gains on this one. So what do you guys think of this project? Do you think it's really good? Do you think that you might be investing in this project? Do you care about agricultural projects in crypto? Is that if your interest? I would love to know. Let me know down below in the comments. If you like cool little projects like this and me reviewing them for you, then consider subscribing, because I review all these different altcoins, and together the mission on this channel is to find the gems that people are not finding, and obviously if they're good, we're going to invest in them. So like this project, then you're going to love this project right here, because this one's an absolute beast in comparison, I would say. But also, if you just want to check out more videos from myself and all these different reviews that I've done, and you want to see price projections, that type of thing, this is the place for you. But if I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bam.